Hello you guys, welcome back to my channel, or welcome to my channel if you are new here. Today I'm going to be doing a try-on haul featuring Revolve. So I have shopped on Revolve a couple of times before. I love going to them because they have super quick shipping. They have all the brands you know and love, like literally everything. Plus they have some special like in-house brands that you can only get from Revolve. So I wanted to share them with you. I think that they're still doing a discount, but I'm not sure. This video isn't sponsored, but they did give me a credit in order to shop the site and kind of try on some different clothes to share with you guys. So I'm super excited. Like I said, I've ordered from them before. I think I have like 2 dresses, and I also ordered my Birkenstock clogs on there. I just love how quickly they restock things. And I love how fast their shipping is. It's like 2 days. I'm not kidding. It's so fast. It's like borderline Amazon. So if you're in a pinch, they have makeup, they have literally everything, shoes, clothes, all of it. I want to share with you what I picked out from their in-house brand. So let's go ahead and get into it. So as always, I will have my like sort of typical body measurements listed in the description box down below, as well as each item that I mention. I'm going to link the specific item with the size that I chose to pick as well, just in case you're curious. I'm also going to tell you about sizing. Since some of these brands I hadn't specifically tried before, I wanted to kind of let you know if you're curious and haven't checked them out before as well, to see what kind of sizing you would be, to kind of help with those like returns and things like that. But they do an amazing return policy. So this first dress is by the brand Super Down. I love Super Down. Those are the 2 dresses that I've purchased in the past from Revolve. They're just really good quality and pretty good prices in terms of like the quality for the price. And in general, Revolve carries so many different expensive brands that Super Down is one of their kind of house brands that's on the more affordable range. So you guys know I love a good deal. But I saw this dress on someone like, I don't know, a couple months ago, like over the summer, and I was like, I wonder if it's still on there. And it was. And you guys know orange and green are my 2 favorite colors. And I'm not really typically a dress girl. I just don't buy that many dresses. But this one I saw and I was like, holy yes, this is like Chiquita banana, festive, fun, amazing. Everything about it is like fun sleeves, but a very classic silhouette on the bottom. I'm obsessed with this. It's short, it's very flirty, it's very fun. If you're going to any sort of like tropical place this winter, you need this. I'm going to Mexico. I think we're going in February, end of January, February, I'm not sure. And I know I'm not somebody who typically buys clothes to go on vacation, but sometimes it's fun to pick up like a piece or 2, you know, not your whole wardrobe that you're traveling with, but this is stunning. I did size up in this. I had read, one thing I love about their site is they kind of tell you true to size and things like that, which is awesome. But this, they did say, runs a little bit small. So I went ahead and got a medium in it, and it's perfect. I think the small would have been too tight, honestly, in the waist area. And I'm not a huge like super bodycon dress. This is bodycon, but not like, it's kind of like structured, if that makes sense. It's not like cling to you sort of tight. I love everything about this. It's stunning. The color, the shape, the arms, the fun. It's just, it's so Mexico. It's not even funny, but it's also just like a really cute, flirty sort of dress that I'm so here for. So again, first brand is Super Down, and the quality of this, everything about it is so nice. And they do have that like silicone beading up near the breast, so I didn't feel like I was gonna like fall out. I love this. So cute, obsessed. Again, another dress. This is more of like a sort of summery dress as well. This is again by the Super Down brand. I got this in a size small. I could have gone to a medium, honestly, in this guy. So I think from now on in the Super Down brand, if you're in between sizes, I would just go ahead and size up. Specifically for this, for length, I love this dress. I used to have a dress similar to this, and then it just, I don't know what happened to it. Either I got a hole in it, a stain on it, or something happened, I'm not sure. But I love these sort of dresses that are tight on the top and kind of flow out towards the bottom. That sort of like, not A-line, but kind of skater dress is what I kind of think about it as. It's the perfect silhouette. It cinches you in at the waist and really flares out at the end. I love this sort of like, I don't know what you would call this, ribbing at the bottom, but it's so like flirty and girly and cute. You could dress this up with a black coat, some tights, some boots for the winter. In the summer, I'm gonna wear this a ton with just a pair of Converse, and you're out the door, layer over denim jacket if you'd like. But this is like just a perfect basic staple. It's super stretchy. It is like opaque on me. I didn't have any issues with that. But I would say again, if you're kind of in between sizes and prefer more of like a longer fit, I would go with a medium. This is still not like super short with me where I'm like I need to return it, but it's like at that borderline. So if I were to order it again, I would have gotten a medium, but the small fits really nice, and I love how stretchy and like slinky it is. So lightweight, so nice for like those summer months, and I'm probably gonna wear the heck out of this dress once it starts getting warmer. But I mean, we're in the thick of winter. But again, if you're going on a vacation or if you live somewhere where it's really nice, you can still utilize and wear this. But again, you can put some tights and boots on and you're good to go for like a night out winter look. Okay, this top, when I got it in the box, I was like, did I order this? What? But then I remembered that it twists and gives you this sort of neckline. I love these sort of tops that you can do that with, that you don't have to wear a bra underneath, because it's got like the perfect amount of like flow to it where you don't see anything. But I did wear little like nippy covers with it, so I'll link the ones that I did down below. It has a bunch of eyelets up at the top. It has this beautiful pleating. I love this green, but if this color is not your thing, they have a bunch of other colors. I got this in a small from Super Down. This fits true to size perfectly, no issues with it at all. I wouldn't have sized up just because the lower back, I like how it fits me on my lower back. It kind of droops slightly. Oh, everything about this, so cute. Throw it tucked into a pair of jeans all the way around or just a front tuck, some heels, and you're good to go. Such a cute, like basic going out sort of top. But I feel like the green can still be like more daytime instead of like just nighttime. But oh, with a pair of black jeans would make it super nighttime. But I love this color and I love this top. It is also double lined in the front, so there's 2 layers. Again, really nice quality, again from the Super Down brand, and I love it. And then with that top, I showed you these jeans. I had been like on the fence with trying Girlfriend denim for a really long time, and I didn't realize that they were part of Revolve's like in-house brands. So when I saw that, I was like, heck yeah. And they're also made in the United States. They're made in Los Angeles, which I think is pretty cool. So they're really like good quality, pricier investment sort of denim. But think of like, they're not, there's no stretch. They're 100% cotton. These jeans are gonna last you a really long time. You guys know I love Abercrombie jeans. They're like some of my favorites, but they've got stretch to them. So eventually they kind of wear more than something that's like a true denim. Keep that in mind though. They're stiff. They're gonna take some time to like build in and warm into you. Like, I don't know how to explain it, but like a true pair of denim, I have to wear it a couple times to give you that sort of like, how do I say it? It's like getting a new pair of Birkenstocks. Like you have to wear them to like get your impression in there. It like stretches with you. So be like patient when it comes to that. Like don't expect them to just like come on and like, or like put them on and they like fit like they're the best pair of jeans you've ever had. These still fit amazing, but they're gonna take some time to just like warm up to your body. That makes sense. They're not stretchy. So I did go true to size. I got these in a size 26 and I say that they're true to size. The waist fits me nice. I don't have any sort of like gaping over the top. The legs are a bit tight, but like I said, since they're 100% cotton, they will stretch. So keep that in mind. I won't be drying these because I don't want them to shrink, but if you get them and they're too big, throw them in the dryer and they'll shrink up a little bit because they are 100% cotton. I got these in the all dark. They're kind of a, I would say ankle fit. These are perfect to wear with heels. These are the Cassidy Girlfriend mid-rise straight. Oh, I understand the hype. I understand the hype as to why these are so like good, and they are that good. I love that they're just a plain basic wash. These can go with so many different things. You can dress them up a little bit. Like I said, they will look so cute with heels. That's how I styled them. Throw them on with Converse, you're good to go. But give like a full 100% cotton jean a chance to really kind of like mold to you, and they will be some of your favorites, I promise. So I'm super happy that I tried Girlfriend denim, and I have another pair to show you in just a minute. But this top, we need a moment for this top. This top is pricey, but when I saw it, I was like, it's so unique and so fun. It looks like crazy when you first get it out of the box because it's just like a V. I'm gonna butcher the name of this. Akame? I don't know. I got this in a small. I should have gone up to a medium. I would say I would have like a bit more like room to move in a medium. So if you're thinking about this top, get it in a medium or get it your next size up. There is like enough to like, you wouldn't, I don't know, you can tighten it around with the strings. You'll see in a second. There is a zipper to get in and out of on the side, which is good because it's like kind of a contraption to get in and out. So it's got a zipper and a hook and eye at the bottom. It's kind of just a like seamed bodice corset sort of thing at the waist, and then it has a nice V in the front and in the back, tags sticking out, and then it has these super long ribbon sort of things. I'm going to show you how I tied mine specifically. I think there's so many different ways that you can kind of play around with this and style it, but it is stunning, especially if you just are one of those girls that likes a nice top and a pair of jeans. This is it. I love this green. It's sort of like a linen-ish material, not super linen, maybe like a button-up sort of material. It's nice. I love this. I think it's such a unique top. I love that it ties around the waist and is super cute. It's a fun, like eye-catching top. I love the bow details in the back. Oh, it's everything. But again, if you're kind of like in between sizes, I would size up. I wish I had gotten this in a medium just to give that more of like, you could do on the shoulder, off the shoulder, one shoulder sort of thing. I can really only do comfortably on the shoulder or one shoulder. Two shoulders is like, it's kind of like not enough room to, you know, flap my arms and whatnot. But overall, I love this top. It's pricey, but I love it. And then the last top that I got was this little bodysuit. Again, I saw this on someone on Instagram forever ago. Super Down, again, are we surprised? I love Super Down's clothing. This is a ribbed bodysuit. I will say, because I'm really pasty white right now, this is like sort of like, is she wearing a top sort of look? So they do have other colors in this, I'm pretty sure, but if you are a more darker skin tone, this would look stunning on you. It's ribbed. It's got the like halter neckline, square neck, or halter neck around the back, and a square neckline at the front. This is nude. It is double lined again, front and back. It is a thong style bodysuit with snaps to get in and out of. Super cute. Throw it on with a pair of jeans. I would wear this probably more casually than super dressed up, but really nice. I would say true to size. You could go strapless in this. I think I wore just like little nippies in it just to be easy. This, again, Super Down. They're just such good quality and such good prices for their stuff. I love it. So I've been looking for like a puffer vest that's more fashionable recently. And I saw this one and I was like, yes, add it to the cart. Because I have the Patagonia one that's like, you know, your outdoor adventure sort of one, but I wanted one that's like a little bit more oversized and a little bit more fashiony. The thing that I loved about this the most is I like that it kind of has that sort of pokey, pointy shoulder. I just feel like it gives you more of like a, I don't know, it's just cute. I didn't want something super cropped. I feel like cropped is really in right now. It won't always be. I like a in-between sort of fit, not super long, not super cropped, just right there in between. This has got that quilted sort of look to it. It has pockets. I need to unstitch them because they're stitched together, but they are functioning pockets. Zipper to get in and out, flap to go over the zipper to show it. It's a like mock neck, turtleneck sort of thing. So cute. Want to wear this like layered over the top of sweatsuits, sweatshirts, things like that. Can't go wrong, and I loved the silhouette of this specifically. I did get this in a small. I would say it fits slightly oversized. That's sort of the look. They also have it in a green, which I had to hold back from. I was like, black will go with more. Let's just go with black. So I love this, and I'm so excited to wear this. It's not super heavy duty, I will say that. It's got a good weight to it, and it's like, what do I want to say? It's like feels really good quality, but it's not like, it's not one of those super puffy vests, which that's not what I wanted, because I feel like sometimes if you're layering over top of a sweatshirt or something like that, it can look too bulky and you look like a Hulk. But really cute. Oh, love. And then the last piece that I got was another pair of denim from Girlfriend Denim again. This is more of like a relaxed, sort of softer, worn in, distressed pair. Again, I got this in a 26, 100% cotton. So it is, again, needs to be kind of like worn in a little bit. Something I will just say is like the little touches on how it like, this area will support those things that tend to first pull on 100% cotton jeans, which are the belt loops. It's the details. Okay, so this is the Carolina Girlfriend high-rise straight crop. So again, crop designer, designed like vintage but better, and I definitely agree with that. Again, made in Los Angeles, button fly, everything about it. Everything about these are just so freaking good. I love the sort of worn-in feel to these. These remind me a lot of my Everlane jean that they no longer make. It's got the rips in the right spots. They're not like at the knee, so you feel like you're gonna bust through them, especially with cotton jeans. But I really prefer rips in cotton jeans because I hate the look of like bungee, these strings. Like these are like real denim, if that makes sense. So love these, love the color, love the wash. Think I'll wear these a ton in the summer as well, like cuffed at the bottom with a pair of Birkenstocks, but I will still wear them all fall long with high top Converse, boots, things like that. So super cute. So those are all of the pieces that I grabbed from Revolve. Those are all my Revolve picks. Everything, like I said, will be linked in the description box down below. Huge shout out to Revolve for gifting me these items. I absolutely loved shopping and picking out things from their sites. They have so many different brands and so many different people. Like, I feel like they add new stuff all the time. So check them out if you've not checked them out before. Amazing fast shipping, really nice quality, and definitely check out Superdown. I think you guys are really gonna like that brand. I know I did. So I hope you guys enjoyed, found this video helpful, and I'll see y'all in my next video.